Okay, I'm receiving a channeled message that somebody is in a period of rest over you. Like they no longer are in a period of contemplation. They have made a decision about you, and they've ultimately decided that you are not someone that they feel that they can live without. Like this feels like a very final decision, and it doesn't even feel like there's a lot of drama behind it. It's more just like this person is coming to this space of peace and calm, and it's from that place that they're able to see things clearly. And I'm also hearing that like this person might be realizing that they were like a big part of the problem, or could have even been the whole problem. And maybe this is something that you've been like waiting to receive a message about, waiting to receive a confirmation from this person saying, you know, like, hey, I see it now, like I get it. So you could be receiving an apology from this person, but what Spirit wants you to know right now more than anything is just that this person is realizing how much you mean to them and where they went wrong within your connection. So maybe you are not in separation with this person, maybe you are in separation, but with the Seven of Swords here, yeah, and the Emperor card on the bottom of the deck, they feel like they have big shoes to fill. Like it feels like this person realizes how much growth they need. It almost feels like they realize how like not in the energy that you deserve they were. Like they realize how disconnected from this Emperor energy that they've been. And that's kind of what this person is realizing right now. And I feel like they're also like, again, like I said, they want to be better, or they are going to show up as better for you. So maybe you have given this person some time and space to, you know, like be with themselves and figure out what it is they need or what it is they want. The scene from the Notebook is again coming to mind here. Any last messages, Spirit, about this specific connection, or anything that we need to know? The Page of Wands of Death and the Wheel of Fortune and the Four of Wands on the bottom of the deck. There's going to be a lot of positive energy flow entering this connection. And there's going to be a lot of positive energy for you, Divine Feminine, specifically. But this is leading to, it's like, wow. I'm hearing kingdom come, kingdom spouse. I feel like you're about to come into connection with your kingdom spouse. Like you're really going to come into connection with someone who is ready to be in that energy for you. Like this is really powerful movement. And even just the cards themselves, like that is so beautiful. So a lot of solar plexus, a lot of healing going on in the womb space, and maybe that's in preparation for this divine union even. But there's a lot taking place here. A lot of really good energy, like I said, pouring into this connection. And you are kind of like the, what do you call it? The catalyst, Divine Feminine. You are the catalyst for this. Chariot on the bottom of the deck. I can't even deny that. Followed by the Empress. Wow. I'm not even going to shuffle again. You are in such a powerful energy that it would literally be insane for a masculine energy, for this masculine energy not to come forward to you. And what I mean by that is you are in such a magnetic energy right now. As Empress, as Divine Feminine, as this divine creation, child of creation, you are realizing so much power is coming from within you. And you are in this energy, and so it's impossible. Like it can't not energetically take place for you. I'm just hearing right time, right person, right place. Like everything is lining up just right for you, and specifically down to right age. For some reason, that's coming to mind here too. Like everything is just right about this connection that's about to enter your life. And I'm hearing or re-enter. Everything is just right. And it's all going to like tumble into your life in such a profound way that it would be very hard to deny the power of this love, like the power of this connection. And I think that's what I mean by like you don't really have to worry. You don't have to worry about who this is or when it's going to happen or how it's going to happen. It's just continue to be in this powerful energy. And you'll know if you're in it. You'll know if this resonates for you. Chances are you're already in it if you've made it through this full reading. And I love that for you because, oh my God, like that's so incredible for the collective of feminines of this world. And I'm so proud of you because I know the strength it takes. Only God knows what you've been through. Only God knows what it's taken you to get to this point. And your person who is going to be a reflection of that God energy of God for you is also going to know. They are going to take the time to know. They are going to desire to know so that they can love you and learn you in the right ways that best support you on your journey. That is how you are going to recognize this person. And that's all I'm meant to give you within this channel message, is that you are going to recognize your person as God. They are going to be surrounded by this golden, yellow, orange, red, bright energy. Like it's going to be so recognizable and it's going to match your frequency, Empress. You have opened a portal for this person to step through. Like you have done the work. You have made this connection possible, is what I'm hearing. So now all you get to do is continue to do what you do and receive this connection, receive this person with an open heart and an open mind. And this is your happily ever after. So I love this for you. If you do feel called to dive in to your personal love connection, I offer private texting, phone call, or FaceTime sessions, all of which you can book through my website. Yes, things are changing, and no, you are not crazy for feeling the way that you feel about this person and about this situation. So we're going to pull some oracle cards as well as a mix of tarot to find out the truth about how this person feels about you. So if you are currently in separation with this person, the message coming through is that they are trying to become a better person for you, and they are wondering what you're doing, like what you're up to. I'm gonna pull a time card here just to give you a better idea of, okay, June has been coming through for all of my love readings. I don't know what is happening in June, but I feel like just in general, in the entire community of people coming into these love connections, these divine love connections, June is really significant for some reason. So just keep that in mind. I feel like maybe a trip, or like you're going somewhere, or just like something is changing in June, and it's for the better. Like this isn't like there's no going backwards is the message that's coming through. So I'm gonna pull some tarot cards just to find out a little bit more about what you can expect to come in from this person, because they are thinking about you and they are working to be better for you. So what is this period of separation? Okay, patience is coming through, and the sun support. Yeah, okay. So whatever separation exists between the two of you, it's not going to exist for long, and it is happening so that the two of you can come together. And so if you were questioning if you were if the question in your head was, am I going to end up with this person? I trust that this message is going to find only those that it is meant for. And this isn't going to show up for everyone. So if it has found you, you will be coming back together with this person. Maybe that's why June is significant for you here. There's a lot of work being done on their part. And there's a lot of work that has been done and still can be done on your part. So keep working, but allow yourself to find motivation and inspiration by the fact that this person is doing it for you. And I really feel like something about this person's finances, social status, and ultimately their love for you is going to be so different come June. Ace of Roses, passion. It's almost like you're going to reach that point with this person where, like I said, the message, there's no going back from here. That's it. This is your person. You found your person. And when you come together in that energy come June, that's it. I'm being shown construction, the working of something, working on building something. So it's almost like you've been in the dreaming stages with this person, but come June is when the plans start to come into action and you're genuinely going to be moving forward in a long-term commitment with this person. So take it how it resonates. Maybe that's establishing the connection as boyfriend, girlfriend. Maybe that's engagement, maybe that's marriage, like whatever it is for you, it's going to be next level commitment, and it's going to be lifelong. And this person is going to make that very clear to you. The word coming through my mind right now is promise ring. So just keep that in mind. You have a lot to look forward to. Don't let yourself get caught up in the actual separation of it, or wherever you may be feeling disconnected with your person, because none of that matters come June. So I hope this helps, and as always, if you feel called to dive in further, I offer personal readings on my website, as well as my full moon ceremony for those of you who really want to connect to that full moon energy, releasing what doesn't serve you and connecting to what does. So you can click the link in my bio to visit my website, and I look forward to working with you if you do.